I'm about to do something that makes you hate me, but I have no choice. Come closer and I'll show you. Look at these flowers on my mango tree. The tree is never this confused. And if you look closer here, I have some mango fruits already. This mango right here, I believe is already bigger than 1 inch in diameter. I do not want to lose this fruit. I do not want the tree to drop this fruit. But in order to save the fruits that I already have on the tree, I must do something that is really painful and no one wants to do. You see here, the tree has both fruits and flower. The fruit start fruiting about a month and a half ago, somewhere around there. And now, all of a sudden, the climate in Las Vegas cooled down and then warm up again. And it confuses the tree, causes the tree to shoot out some flowers. Look at that. And if I don't take care of this right now, all the energy will transfer to the reproductive of the new flowers, and it potentially will drop my current fruits. And I'm not even sure that these new flowers will give me fruit, so I must do this. I know, it's really hard to do that. You might ask, but Long, what about those trees that I see in the ground at the orchard that their flowers at different times and their fruit at different times? Why can't your tree do that? The answer is those trees are bigger, they have bigger root balls, and they can provide enough energy for flowers that flower during different stages. For my mango tree right here, it lives inside a 25-gallon container. And it's a pretty small tree. I mean, it's standing about, 6 feet tall? And I don't think it has enough energy, and the tree is big enough to provide enough energy for the current fruits that I have on the tree, in addition to providing the energies to the new flowers. I'm not risking it. I do want to eat my very first mango that I grow here in Las Vegas. Remember that for a tree to fruit and keep its fruit to mature, it takes a lot of energy. I really don't want to risk that. And if you have any other options that I could apply to this tree to make sure that I can get my very first mango here in Las Vegas, please comment down below and let me know.